Hello, welcome back to the channel. We'll be doing something quite different today. I'm going to be forging a katana. Hold on, let's see if I can get it so you guys can actually see it. That's the design for it. But yeah, I'm going to be making it out of coil spring. So that's this right here. First I need to cut off the metal I need for it. So I've just marked it up. There you go. So I just need to cut along there. But yeah, I'm going to light up the forge and do it with using the hardy hole tool. But yeah, I'm going to light the forge then. Alright, that's it all cut off now. So that's the metal I need for making a katana. I'm going to cool it down. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it and straighten it out. It's going to be quite a fiddly one to do because I don't know how I'm going to do it, but we're going to find out. I'm just going to probably use the horn of the anvil and just put it on there and give it a whack until it gets straight, and then once I've got it straight, I'm going to start flattening it out. Yeah, to that. Alright, that's all I can do for today. It's getting quite late. This is what I managed to get done. But yeah, I haven't done all of this drawing out bit. It's not quite yet long enough. But once I've flattened out all of this, it will be. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll do a part 2 sometime this week. Thanks for watching.